Hello guys, hello my beautiful people of Africa. Hello everybody watching the Business in Africa YouTube channel, and today I'll be talking about the reasons why you should invest in Africa in 2021. And today I just want to be talking about Tanzania. The United Republic of Tanzania is a country located in the eastern part of Africa. It is surrounded by countries like Kenya and Uganda to the north, Rwanda, Burundi, and the Democratic Republic of Congo to the west, Zambia, Malawi, and Mozambique to the south. Tanzania is one of the fastest growing economies in Africa in 2020. Believe me that this country is just so rich of wildlife and of course natural resources. Tanzania has a GDP of about 50 billion US dollars and has a growth rate of about 7% year on year. The current president of Tanzania right now is John Magufuli, and Tanzania is having about 59 million people in terms of population. And today I'll be talking about the 5 reasons why I think you should invest in Tanzania in 2021. But before I dive into my reasons, if you're new here, make sure you click on the subscribe button right now. And just make sure that you share, like, and then of course, comment as much as possible. So now let's write down to the 5 reasons why you should invest in Tanzania in 2021. Don't move a muscle. I'll be right back after the break. Hello guys, hello my Business in Africa YouTube family. I hope you all are doing great. I'm here today to bring you the good news, right? I just released 2 ebooks. I don't want to call them books. I prefer calling them tools, because these are investment tools that if you want to invest in Africa, then it's a must-have. Here is the first one. Unique business ideas for every African country. Yes, you heard it right. I went to every African country and brought to you the unique business ideas that are the best profitable business ideas in this country. I took into consideration their geographic location, political stability, their economy, culture, and every other thing was taken into consideration to choose these businesses that are most profitable in each African country. Yes, you don't have to go anywhere to look for business ideas anymore. And of course, the best countries that you can invest in is also answered in this book. So get this book, it's on Amazon Kindle. The second book is this one, The African Business Startup BRAINBOX. Yes, it's the BRAINBOX because it tells you everything you need to know about registering and setting up a company in every African country. Yes, in all the 54 African countries. So you've got the procedures that you need, you've got the estimated cost, and how much time you need to register your company in every African country. So you don't need to search anywhere online, just grab these tools. There are 2 of them, and all of them are on Amazon Kindle. So you can either get it as an ebook or a paperback. That's your choice. And let me tell you something. There is something I'm offering. If you buy these books, I'm going to offer you a free consultation session anytime you want, right? My numbers are on the screen. You can just contact me, but make sure you click and purchase my books, okay? I don't want to call them books, I call them tools. Just click right now and add them to your purchase list. Thank you so much for ordering my books, and I'm sure we're going to do business in Africa together. Let's get ready for 2021. See you around. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We're talking about Tanzania and the reasons why you should invest in Tanzania. So if you're a potential investor that's looking at Africa, then Tanzania should be on your list. Now, this is the first reason, or my number 1 reason, is that Tanzania has a very, very big market potential. Yes, I just mentioned that they have about 59 million people, and 37% of that 59 million people live in the urban areas, right? So you can just imagine they all need things like water, they need shelter, they need telecommunication, and so many other services. So if you create your company or you set up your business in Tanzania, you will be serving this population who are just there waiting to be served, right? So Tanzania should be on your list. That's the first reason. My number 2 reason is the fact that their government has a lot of government support for especially foreign investment companies, okay? For especially foreign companies, we call that the foreign direct investments. Now, the government, what does the government do? The government has created the Tanzanian Investment Center, TIC, and gives a lot of different types of incentives. So if you want to invest in Tanzania, this should be the time. What the TIC does is, the TIC gives out what we call the TIC Incentive Certificate, okay? So if you have an investment of about 100 to 300,000 US dollars, you can have this certificate. Now, if you're looking for this certificate, we can always help you at HR and Systems so that you get this certificate, okay? And when you have this certificate, you benefit from incentives like that's really drastically reduced import duty rates. And of course, things like you can employ some number of employees, foreign employees with permits and stuff like that. So there are just so many different types of incentives that you can get in Tanzania. If you want me to cover this in another video, then drop it in the comment section below. I'm going to do a video just for that, okay? Now let's go to the third reason why you should invest in Tanzania. Political stability. For those of you who know Tanzania, that's a very peaceful country in Africa, right? For a very long time now, they have really not had any political instability. And it is forecasted that in the nearest future, there will really not be anything to bother about in Tanzania. The president of Tanzania right now, John Magufuli, was just elected some few weeks back. I'm shooting this video right now in November 2020, and he was brought into power on the 28th of October 2020. That's like some few days back, and he has been there since 2015. He's that kind of person who just wants to fight corruption as much as possible. He fires corrupt administrators and fights back against corruption as like anti-corruption. Now let's go to number 4, agricultural land. Yes, more than 47% of Tanzania is arable land. I mean, land that nobody has ever farmed on. You understand? So you can imagine how much land is available for agriculture. And that makes about 48 million hectares of land that's available for agriculture. Coupled with that population, doing agriculture in Tanzania is one of the most profitable kind of business that you want to step in. So if you are looking for that kind of business, just make sure you contact me right now. Contact us and we're going to sort you out, because we've got a lot of high-level connection in Tanzania inside the TIC, that's the Tanzania Investment Board, who are always willing to bring in foreign investors, okay? So that's number 4. Now let's dive into number 5. Abundant, untapped natural resources. Tanzania is blessed with so much natural resources like uranium, we've got gas, minerals, and you name it. And they also have exploit touristic sites like Mount Kilimanjaro, the Ngorongoro crater, and the Serengeti National Park. That's so much that you can get from Tanzania. That's just a lot, happening in Tanzania in terms of natural resources. So that was the 5th reason why I think you should invest in Tanzania in 2020. There you have it, guys. Those were 5 reasons why I think you should invest in Tanzania in 2020. If you're watching this video for the first time, or if you're watching this channel for the first time, just make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. And also let me know, did I forget something that you think people should invest in Tanzania? Drop it in the comment section below. I'd like to read from you. My name is Rofo Chifu. I'm the CEO founder of HR and Systems. And for a very long time now, we've been helping investors, potential investors set up in Africa and do business in just every part of Africa. And that's why I also decided to write the book, or I call it the tool, The Unique Business Ideas in 54 African Countries. It's right now on Kindle right here. So go right there and download it so you can just get a lot about investing in Africa. Contact us if you want to talk business in Africa anytime. I'll be ready to assist you with your project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.